In this video, we're going to show you how to do a four-wheel brake bleed on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a fluid extractor, extract the old brake fluid out of the master cylinder. Before removing the cap on the master cylinder, take a rag and wipe it down, get all of the dirt and the dust off. To bleed the brakes, you'll have an assistant in the car. Have your assistant pump the brake pedal up 5 to 10 times. After 5 to 10 times, you're going to have them hold it. And then on the outside of the car, you'll open up the bleeder screw. Go ahead. And you'll see that the pedal drops all the way to the floor. The assistant in the car, once the pedal hits the floor, will let you know, okay. And you'll close the bleeder screw. Once the bleeder screw is closed, you can let off the pedal and repeat this process. Remove the bleeder cap using an 8mm wrench on the bleeder screw and install the bleeder hose. Our brake bleed procedure starts on the right rear wheel, and then we will move to the left front wheel, the left rear wheel, and then the right front wheel. Pumped up? Holding. Holding. Floor? Yep. Once he's at the floor, close the bleeder screw. Go ahead and pump. Repeat this process until you have no bubbles coming out of your fluid and it's nice and clean. All the way down. Close it up. And in that last one, we had no bubbles and we had nice clean fluid, so we'll move to our next wheel. Once you're done bleeding, remove your wrench and reinstall the bleeder cap. You may need to top off the master cylinder in between each wheel. To do this, remove the master cylinder cap and top up the fluid as needed, and then replace the cap. Moving on to the left front wheel, remove the bleeder cap. I'm going to put my wrench on and install the bleeder hose. Have your assistant pump the brakes up. And we're all set. No bubbles came out of that. Remove your wrench, remove your bottle, and reinstall the bleeder cap. And then we'll move to the left rear wheel. Moving on to the left rear wheel, remove the bleeder cap. Put your wrench on. Install your bleeder line. Go ahead and pump it up. Open the bleeder. Floor? Yep. Close it up. Go ahead. Floor?
Yep, floor.
Moving on to the right front wheel. Remove the bleeder cap. Put on your wrench. Install the bleeder line. Go ahead and pump it up. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Holding.
One more. Floor. Using a rag, wipe away any fluid that's spilled, and go around and do this on all of your calipers. Install the wheels, torque your wheels to 76 foot-pounds, remove the cap off of the master cylinder. You'll see the max line on the side of the reservoir. We're going to make sure our fluid is at that max line. It's okay if you're a little above, and reinstall the cap.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ, the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.